So Mason's been working on our master's facilities plan for roughly 30 years. Actually, the building I'm standing in was constructed in 1996, and that's Mason Elementary. Many boards over the years, many administrators, several past superintendents have led up to this point to where we're now in a three-phase process. And the Mason Elementary and the MECC, Mason Early Childhood Project, is phase one. We'll be moving on to phase two next year with Mason Intermediate and Mason Elementary, and then to the high school for a Innovation Hub renovation. And all of that, phase one, phase two, and phase three, is going to be done debt-free without running a bond issue within the Mason community. Believe it or not, where I'm standing just last year was 2 art rooms. Now we have transitioned this in phase one to 3 full-size classrooms that we will be able to use year to year based on our enrollment needs. In 1996, when this building opened, it was used as a middle school that had 2 large locker rooms. Now, in phase one of our project, I'm standing in one of 2 brand new art rooms that will serve the needs of Mason Elementary students. What was once MECC's library will now be a library plus a full-size innovation hub and 2 STREAM classrooms. In the STREAM specials, students will learn about science, technology, reading, engineering, art, and math. At MECC, to meet our goal of reducing class size, we're building 8 full-size classrooms and 5 flexible learning spaces that could be used as small group instruction areas or offices. Each set of classrooms is in a cluster of 4 with an extended learning space just like the other areas throughout the building. So what we have is an extension of learning that's exactly the same throughout the building.